And try it. Feel my wall. Won't let nobody, not just anybody. Build my wall. Won't let it happen again, please.
That was sick. Not what I played. I mean, what he sang there.
Build my wall.
Do you think me without the camera like this is cool? Just let me know that. I'm back. Okay, so that's basically it. Nothing much. So if you want to key up B for the records, and what we started with was the pentatonic scale. So if you don't know what a pentatonic scale is, just let me know in the comment section, and I will try to make a comprehensive tutorial on that. And also, I might not be able to call out the notes for you during this lesson because of our time. I want to keep to time, so please just take note of the fingering, and also pay close attention to the notes I'm playing as well. So let's go ahead with the breakdown. So the pentatonic scale that I started with, I'm kind of mimicking their voice because they are using their voice to do that. So I use my piano to pull them along. Alright, and it's G sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, then that is F sharp, G sharp, B, and back to G sharp. Alright, so on my left hand I'm doing the same thing. Okay, fingering, very important. So on my left hand I'm using my pinky, that's my little finger, for G sharp, then middle finger for the B, C sharp is going for the pointer, thumb is going for the D sharp there, then I'm using my middle finger again for F sharp, then I'm using my middle finger for F sharp, then pointer goes for the G sharp, then thumb for the B, and back to the pointer which is on the G sharp there. So all together. So you might want to practice this slowly, then when you get the mastery you can now play it well. So the chord I now landed on was on the 6th.